I talk to a lot of high-income professionals who are interested in getting into real estate but aren't sure where to start. My name's Kate Lynch, and about 5 years ago, I decided to pursue a path to create financial freedom so I could have more time with my kids by investing in real estate. If you are interested in figuring out how to get freedom for yourself and your family, I think the absolute best first place to start is with single-family vacation rentals. The benefits of this asset class, I think, outweigh every other type of real estate investment out there. If you're interested in hearing about how you can create financial freedom for yourself and your family, hit the like button and subscribe, and follow along as we talk about the many investment options available for high-income investors. So there are 6 benefits, in my opinion, to investing in single-family vacation homes that I think make them by far the most attractive investment option for a high-income professional. The first of those is just the familiarity of the asset class. Any high-income professional has most likely bought and sold a single-family home before. You may even have already invested in a vacation home. The valuation process for commercial properties is very different from that of single-family homes. With single-family homes, as you probably know, all you do is look at comparable properties in the area to see what they're selling for. You just find a region that you like to vacation in and look at the properties that are available in that area. Just a couple of weeks of research can help you get a sense for what a home with 3 versus 4 bedrooms go for, or for example, how much more it costs to get a house with a pool or a hot tub than one without, or a house that has a lake view versus one that doesn't. This type of research is relatively straightforward, and anybody with a high-income job can handle it. It's far less complicated than figuring out how to value a commercial property with cap rates and understanding how those cap rate trends change over time and can impact your investment. I believe the familiarity that you already have with this asset class will reduce your anxiety going into it and allow you to start investing more quickly and with less stress than any other type of real estate investment. The second incredible thing about the single-family vacation home is the superior financing that you can get. Single-family homes are really the only investment path where you can get a lender to give you 80 to 85% of the purchase price of your investment. This leverage in real estate investments allows you to create wealth far more quickly than any type of investment. It far outstrips the wealth-building capabilities of the stock market, in my opinion. A vacation home can be purchased with a 15% down payment and a 30-year fixed-rate loan that gives it a low-risk, high-return potential that you won't find anywhere else. The third feature that I like about the single-family vacation rental home is that it can create phenomenal returns. When I first started looking into investing in real estate, I was disappointed to find that a lot of long-term rentals will only generate returns of a couple $100 up to maybe $1,000 per month in cash flow. While that might be an attractive return on investment, the reality is that you would have to buy dozens of those properties in order to generate enough income to make it meaningful to a high-income professional. If you're in a high-paying job, an extra $5,000 or $10,000 a year probably doesn't move the needle on your income enough to make it exciting for you. But with single-family vacation rentals, you can often find properties that generate $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 a year of profit from just one investment. If you're in a high-income job, you're probably working a lot of hours, and you don't want to spend a whole lot of time managing dozens of investments. Just getting started with a single, well-done investment can allow you to significantly impact your cash flow without having to spend a ton of time on it. Certainly, these properties generate a high return on investment, but the ability to put a lot of dollars to work in a single investment and generate strong returns, I think, makes it a very attractive option. The fourth benefit of these type of investments is that you get to use the property. Any real estate investment is going to involve some hurdles. When the bumps in the road inevitably happen, if you love the property and you're getting good cash flow from it, I think that you'll find that you're willing to put that extra effort in to hang in there through the tough times. The learning curve on a new investment often stops people from continuing when the times get tough. With this type of investment, if you and your family just love the property, you love spending time there, and it feels like home to you, then you'll stick with it when times do get tough. Creating incredible family memories at your vacation rental is a tremendous benefit that no other type of investment can offer. The fifth benefit of this type of investment is the tax advantages. I wish that 20 years ago I had understood how much tax benefit I could get from investing in real estate. I'm trying to spread the word now to help other people who are in a high-income job realize that you can significantly reduce the amount of taxes that you pay from your W-2 income by using the benefits that are offered to people who invest in real estate. I look back at the taxes I paid on my W-2 income over the last 20 years, and I regret that I didn't understand then what I know now about how much you can reduce that tax burden by investing in real estate. The sixth benefit of the vacation home rentals is the scalability. One of my favorite authors, Michael Zuber, who wrote the book One Rental at a Time, talks about how you can just start with a single investment. A lot of people target one investment per year. You buy your first property and you spend a year or so learning the ropes and getting up to speed on how to manage the vacation property. Once you've figured out how to make this property a success, inevitably you're going to feel like you want to do another one. You don't have to rush, but if you slowly build your portfolio from the first property and then get a second, a third, and a fourth property, by that time, you should have a strategy in place to be able to see your way toward financial freedom. That's the path that we took. After we bought our first property, we were so excited by the returns as well as the tax benefits, and realizing that while there is work involved, it's not an overwhelming amount of work. We slowly added a second, third, fourth, until we ultimately had enough investment real estate to allow me to leave my W-2 job and be a stay-at-home mom with my kids. Single-family vacation rentals offer strong cash flow, attractive appreciation, tax benefits, and the ability to enjoy the property with your family. I think that these make this asset class the best by a long shot amongst the available options for investing. If you're interested in investing in real estate and figuring out how to use real estate to change your life for you and your family, I hope you'll follow along on our journey. Hit the like and subscribe button and reach out to me if you're looking for help with your investment process. I've used real estate to change my life, and I'd love to help you figure out how to do the same thing so that you have financial freedom and the time with your family that they deserve.